Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 12 with question 4. In this video, I'm going to do parts I and L, which are the more interesting functions. So in part I, we have the function 2x cubed plus 3x over root x. Let's call this f of x. And we want to differentiate this. But before differentiating, remember that we want to rewrite the functions in the form x to the power of n. So in this case, what we need to do is first, we need to write root x as x to the power of a half, and then we can divide each term on the numerator by the denominator so that we are going to have our function in the form x to the power of n. So this becomes, so 2x cubed divided by x to the power of a half is like having 3 minus, for the powers is 3 minus a half, which is equal to 5 over 2 plus, and then we have 3, so x to the power of 1 minus a half is just a half. Now this is in the form x to the power of n, and we can easily differentiate this. So f dash x is equal to 2x to the power of 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 comes down as a coefficient times 2, and then we have x but power minus 1. So 5 over 2 minus 1 is simply 3 over 2. So this is the first term. And then for the second term, I forgot to write the x, so it's basically 3x to the power of half. So this becomes half comes down, and then we have 3 there, and then x to the power of a half minus 1 is minus half. So that's the power. Now we can simplify this. So this one becomes 5x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 times x to the power of minus a half. Okay, now for part L, we have 3x minus 2 times 4x plus 1 over x. First of all, we need to expand the bracket and then rewrite that in the form x to the power of n. So if we expand that, it's going to be 12x squared plus 3 minus 8x minus 2 over x. And it's almost in that form, except the last term, which is minus 2 over x. So let's just rewrite minus 2 over x as minus 2 times x to the power of minus 1. So minus 2x to the power of minus 1. And now we have everything in the form x to the power of n, so we can easily differentiate that. So 12x squared differentiates to 24x, 3 differentiates to 0, minus 8x differentiates to minus 8. And then the last term differentiates to plus 2x to the power of minus 2. And this is the derivative. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.